Alright, up today we got old Slum Dog here. We're gonna put some diff covers on there for the front and the rear. Gonna put some sliders on those shackles, front and rear. Got my templates from when I did Bad Boy, so I should just be able to knock these out pretty quick. Got some rebar I'm gonna add in the mix for some looks. We'll see how it comes out. Got my new steering in. And I might give it a bath. It's a yearly bath. Change the oil and get this thing going, ready for the season. Busted out the plasma cutter. Gonna keep moving forward. Got my little template out here. Let's saw that out real quick. Pretty happy with that. That is definitely Slum Dog style right there. Got the bottom plate in. Need to weld up the seam. I'm gonna take it off of there. Made us a little modern art. It's like Predator style or something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna continue on. I'm gonna pull all this out right now and then weld it all up. Little fancy paint job on it. I'm on the fence about that too. I'm liking this, you know, this rust style, but I'll just paint it. And then we'll reinstall. And then we'll work on these skid plates here. And then we'll move to the front and do the exact same thing. I made this plate. Had to finesse it in here, kind of with the diff cover. It has like little bulbous points right here. And it's not exactly straight. You had to grind it and fit it, grind it and fit it. It's kind of a pain, but we got it in there. 2-inch strap. Had a bend point here and a bend point there. Kind of going like that. Bent this piece up too. Yep, gonna weld her up. Here we go, hot off the press. This thing's super duper hot right now. Yow! Yow! Excelente. Pretty happy with that. Let it cool off. Paint booth, install. All right, this is the end result. Got that all in there, welded up, sitting up tight, filled it full of gear oil, painted it, looks pretty good. 1/2-inch rebar, did the bends on my press bender, I think it looks real cool. I love the way it came out. Able to get oil in there easy. Access to all the bolts. 3/16 by 2-inch strap I bent. I also got these sliders done. I just basically cut out a cardboard template and cut these circles out and then welded it up to the bottom of my existing shackle. I did it to all 4 of them. This came out pretty good. Might be overkill. We'll see. We'll run it for a few months, see how it goes, and then we'll make a decision. Just got a weekend into this back one and the front one. So we gotta make any changes, no big deal. Just roll it back in the backyard again. A little cutting, a little welding. Or just discontinue it, DC it. But I actually like it. It looks really cool. Looks like it's ready to go out a Mad Max movie or something. Thunderdome. Cool. Let's go check out the fronts. I haven't put the tires back on here yet. Never mind the wire. That goes to my speaker. Little speaker. Play some big horn sounds on there. It's pretty funny. Yeah. So this one looks like more of a face mask. I guess the back one does too. It's a little tricky on both of them because these things are not like all identical. They're all like this side's longer on this side. And then we had a shorter side, a longer side. So when I was putting these up, they all went in kind of different. Wish it was symmetrical, but didn't work out that way. Yeah, I filled this full of oil. It's ready to go. This one, this strap right here, I made this tiny. It's 2-inch strap, went all the way around. I put the bend in here. That way it follows the contour of my differential. And I think I like this one the best. It's real small. That's all you really need is that little piece right here to get you over the rock. We're not sending these vehicles at 100 miles an hour through the rocks, you know, like it's, you know, Baja race or something like that. That one right there is, I don't know, that's probably, I don't know. I like it, but then again, I like this one too. So, this is the 4th try. Bad Boy, I did the front and back on Bad Boy, and I was experimenting on that one. So, I knew I needed to make that rear diff smaller, so I did that, and then cover the differential cover, so I did that. But when I got to the 4th one here, I was like, you know, let's try to make this one as small as we can. And that's what I basically did. I just sent this 2-inch strap just coming all the way around here. And I think this one's probably the keeper. The one that I like anyways. Of course, you know, I like the way they look the most. I think they look pretty cool. But we'll see if they function. And if they do, then excelente. And if they don't, we'll make some changes. Roll these Jeeps back here in the backyard and do some cutting and welding and having some fun. All right, guys, just screwing around back here with my free time on the weekends, and you know, just having fun. All right, thanks for watching.